What if I told you that in the next 20 minutes, we are going to build a fully functional web app from a single sentence? No developer, no code, not even a template. Just a prompt, and an AI that turns it into a real working product with user login, idea generation, and full content scripts ready to copy and use. And by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly how it works, step by step, so you can build your own. Let's get into it. Here's what most people do when they have a web app idea. They go to Upwork, get a quote from a developer, find out it costs $3,000 minimum, and then the idea dies right there. Or they try to learn to code, spend 3 weeks watching tutorials, build nothing, and give up. There is a third option now, and it changes everything. You describe what you want to build. The AI builds it. You test it, tweak it, and launch it. That is what Hostinger Horizons does. And today I am showing you the full process, step by step. Hostinger Horizons is an AI-powered app builder inside Hostinger. You describe your idea in plain English, and it generates a fully functional, mobile-optimized web app, complete with database, user authentication, storage, and email features already built in. No extra tools, no subscriptions stacked on top of each other. And if you are building an e-commerce website, it connects directly to Stripe for payments, so whatever you build can start making money from day one. Unlike other tools, when you upgrade, your plan comes with hosting and a free domain, so you can build and go live immediately. Start by grabbing the link in the description and signing up on Hostinger. Then grab a hosting plan, which starts at only $6.99 a month. The starter plan is a great deal since it comes with a free domain for a full year, meaning you can create your app and go live immediately. You can also host up to 25 websites and manage them all in one place. Make sure to apply my discount code in the description at checkout. With Hostinger Horizons, you can create any type of website, build powerful apps, launch a fully functional online store, and deploy any AI-powered app instantly from a single prompt without writing a single line of code. Once you sign up, go inside the Hostinger dashboard and choose Horizons to get started. Here is where things get really interesting. You simply tell the agent what you want to create in plain language, and it handles all the heavy lifting for you. For inspiration, you can check out the templates to get ideas on what you can build. Now, let me take you through how to create a web app and launch it in just minutes. We are going to build a content generator web app where a user enters a niche or topic and chooses a social media platform to post content on. The app will generate 10 content ideas and then produce a full content plan. It should also have a clean and minimal UI design. You can upload an image as a reference for your design or a feature idea, and instead of typing manually, you can dictate with your voice and hit run. Horizons will receive your idea and start building the app in the background, the framework, the API functionality, and all the code for you. In a few seconds, your web app is ready. It comes with features like AI-powered idea generation, a clean, user-friendly design, history tracking, and full mobile responsiveness. As you can see, the web app looks great. To use it, you need to create an account first. Fill in your name, email, and create a strong password, then sign up. And it works. Sign up was successful. Here is where you type your niche or topic, then select whether you are generating ideas for YouTube, a blog post, or social media. However, we need to modify the app a little bit. I want the app to display a drop-down list of specific social media platforms like X, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook when someone chooses social media, so they can select the exact platform they are posting to. Modifying your app is very simple. Return to the chat and tell the AI what you need changed in plain language, just like talking to a real human designer. I asked, when the user chooses social media, the app should display a drop-down to choose a specific platform so that the generated ideas are tailored to that platform's style and format. You can also take a screenshot of the part you want to modify and submit it directly. The app has been updated. Now, when you choose social media, it lists the platforms and you can select exactly where you want to post. It is time to see if it can actually generate content ideas. I will put in YouTube automation as the topic, select YouTube, and hit Generate Ideas. The Generate button is not responding yet, and fixing this is quick. Simply tell Horizons in plain language what you need fixed. I asked it to fix the Generate button so that the generated ideas display properly once rendering is complete. Now testing again with the same topic, selecting YouTube and hitting Generate. The app is now generating 10 content ideas based on the topic, tailored to the platform's goals. If you were coding this manually, it would take you hours checking every single line, running tests, and fixing bugs. With Hostinger Horizons, you simply describe the fix in plain language, and it handles it. I also generated some TikTok video ideas, and the results are impressive. You get a full action plan with intro hooks included, but when I click on any of the generated ideas, nothing happens. The main purpose of this app is to generate 10 ideas and then produce a full content script when a user clicks on any of them. So I returned to the chat and asked it to open a new page when a user clicks on a generated idea, where the AI generates a ready-to-use content script tailored to the selected platform. Now it is working perfectly. You get a full content script generated by AI, formatted and ready to use, with a copy script button included. The only remaining issue is the History tab showing up empty. This is the last fix before the app is fully ready. I asked it to fix the Save to History function so that any generated ideas are automatically saved and displayed in the History tab. I would have included all of these instructions in the original prompt to get a fully functioning app in one shot, but I wanted to show you how to troubleshoot any issues along the way using the chat feature, so you never get stuck at any point. Now for a full test to confirm everything is working. I enter personal finance as the topic, select blog, and hit generate. It produces all 10 ideas. When I click on one of them, the AI begins writing a full blog post, from the title and metadata down to the full body. And when I close and open the History tab, the previous session is there with the topic, content type, date, and a preview I can open anytime. The beauty with Hostinger Horizons is that you get a fully functional, fully responsive app that works across all devices. Right now, it is in testing mode and can go live the moment you publish, which I will show you in a moment. You can also check out the backend and preview the code Hostinger Horizons used to build your app. The preview window is where you test and interact with the app in real time as you build it. Now this is impressive. You can edit your app directly without using the chat, so it does not cost you any credits. Enable editing mode, and every section gets highlighted. Just visit the area you want to change and replace the content with ease. In 2026, you do not need to learn how to code to build powerful websites and apps and deploy them instantly, but the right tool. Once your app is fully functional, the last step is to go live by hitting the publish button. Congratulations, your web app is now live. With a temporary domain, you can visit your app, use it anytime, and share the link with others. And if you want your app to appear in search results and go live on the internet with a proper address, you connect it to a custom domain. When you upgrade to the starter plan and above, you get a free domain for a full year. Go ahead and claim it, register your domain, then come back, click Connect to Custom Domain, enter the domain you registered, and within a few minutes your app is fully live. In just minutes, we built an app that content creators would actually pay for. It is designed for anyone who wants to stop staring at a blank screen and start producing. You log in, enter your niche or topic, pick your content type, and if you pick social media, you choose your platform, Instagram, TikTok, X, or Facebook. Hit Generate, and you get 10 tailored content ideas in seconds. But here is where it gets really good. You click on any idea and the app generates a full, ready-to-execute content script. For YouTube, it gives you a hook, main talking points, and a call to action. For blog posts, it gives you an intro, structured sections, and a conclusion. For social media, it writes in the tone and format of whichever platform you chose. There is also a History tab so you never lose a good idea. This app solves a real problem. Coming up with ideas and scripts takes hours every week. This cuts it down to seconds. And you did not write a single line of code to build it. If you want to test it out, drop a comment below and I will share the link. If this video gave you value, hit the like button right now and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. The Hostinger Horizons link with my discount is in the description below. Go build something today. I will see you in the next one.